Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to learn how to create master detail form in Oracle APEX. Inshallah. Oracle APEX provided uh, three type of master detail forms. First of stack, side by side, drill down. We would discuss all these three types in our tutorial. So let's start. I'm going creating master trade form in my human resource application. Create a page, then press master detail. If you don't know about difference between three types, you can help from provided this. First of all, I'm creating master detail type stack. I'm pressing on stack. Press next. Provide any type, any name. I'm providing stack. Press next. Obix asking me, are you wanna assign a menu? Yeah, I wanna assign in this form in a menu. This name would be shown or Apex menu. I'm going press next button. Master region title. This is the compulsory. Provide any title. I'm providing title master. Providing you can select source type from local database. REST enable select SQL servers or web servers. This is a table owner schema. Press select any master table. I'm selecting master table from the list. Master, my table master. Press primary key. Select any primary key. My table have primary key MID. Press next. In the next window Oracle APEX asking me detail table. I'm providing detail. This is a description which would be shown on a page. This show only related table. Show only related table. This type, if you press no, then Oracle Apex showing all table from your schema. If you press yes, then Oracle Apex provided related foreign key table, associate foreign key table. I'm pressing. You can see here Oracle show me fetch me those table which we foreign key link. And press primary key. This table primary key have DID and master detail foreign key. I'm pressing master MID. This is at the last step. Oracle Apex asking me relationship between master and detail. I'm pressing next. Whereas our stack master detail form has been ready. Now we are going to run. You can see here. This is a master upper side master. This is a downside bottom side is a detail table. If you when press any master record, you can see bottom record changing. You can see a bottom card changing. This is a now guys we are going add add an entry in master and detail in aspect type. Okay, now I'm pressing add row. You can see I'm type anything. I'm pressing today date. I'm just copy and paste. I'm saving this. You can see a this record showing in bottom. I'm pressing here. You can see here no record found in bottom. So I'm pressing in bottom, add row, type anything. When you press save, this record will be associated with foreign key. You can see check this card. We created this card, and bottom card would be generated at the bottom. This type of page or form called stacked upper and bottom. This is upper tab. Guys, this is a bottom menu we would discuss in a report tutorial. So stay with me. This was the tutorial about how to create stack detail master detail form. Stay with me. Thank you. Please watch my next video for other type for other type